Greetings, scroll-savvy humans and glitch-chasing bots. Lady Cyber here, rebooted and ready, where markets teeter, inflation looms, and investments fly in like moths to LED lights. Strap in for today's Byte Blitz. Italy confirms modest GDP growth forecasts. Italy plans to stick with its earlier forecasts, 0.6% growth this year, rising slightly in 2026. Better than no growth, but still quiet applause. Wall Street braces for Fed patience. Markets expect the Fed might pause on rate increases. Soft inflation and cooling labor data keep hopes alive for some relief. IMF warns U.S. economy showing strain. The IMF flagging that tariffs and slowing job growth are creating some cracks, like loading too many tabs in your browser. Performance starts to lag. Dollar lost ground after surge in U.S. jobless claims. Jobless claims jumped, reinforcing views that U.S. rate cuts are coming. Dollar weakens as traders adjust expectations. Asian stocks ride Fed easing hopes to highs. Record highs for many Asian markets as easing expectations for U.S. rates continue to boost sentiment. Turkey eyes inflation drop over several years. Turkey projects inflation falling from 28.5% this year to single digits by 2027, with reforms, green transition and tech in the mix. Big promise. Wall Street liquidity tension ahead of quarter end. U.S. money markets are nervy, Treasury bill issuance, coupon payments, and technical financial plumbing risk squeezing liquidity. India market outlook, Fed, rupee and auto stocks to watch. India's markets ended last week up. This week will be shaped by Fed policy, auto sector strength, rupee/dollar moves, and crude prices. U.S. financial firms pledge big investment in UK. Major U.S. finance firms committed about $1.7 billion to the UK ahead of Trump's visit, boosting jobs and deepening transatlantic ties. Nasdaq hits record close ahead of Fed meeting. The Nasdaq closed at a new high, fueled in part by big tech, as investors gear up for the upcoming Fed decision. That's today's circuit snapshot, markets flirting with calm, inflation whispering trouble, and normal life still trying to keep up. Lady Cyber signing off, sarcasm at idle, empathy on speed charge. Stay sharp. Stay charged. And if your inbox floods, remember, reboot with irony.